Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make an interior designer website using Wix. Wix is a website builder that is beginner friendly, easy to use, and you'll also be able to create a stunning website very quickly. And you can get started for completely free. So you're going to go onto wix.com. From there, you can create an account using your email address or your Facebook account. After you have created your account, you're going to tap on Create New Site. Then you'll be redirected to a page just like this. And you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. After doing that, I want you to tap on the search bar and you're going to type in Interior Designer and you can select it right there. Then you'll tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, you will be redirected to your dashboard. On your dashboard, you'll be able to add in your business name. So you can add in your business name right there. And you could also add in your business address if you have a physical address. Then you'll tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, from here you can set your working hours. So these are basically the hours that persons will be able to book your services. So let's say we'll be working from Monday to Friday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and we'll tap on Continue. After doing that, you can see different services that we may offer. So for example, single room design, renovating planning, and initial design consultation, and small room redesign. These are all services that interior designers tend to offer. If it is a case that you don't see a service that you would like to offer, you can tap on Create New Service right here, and you could fill in the information, the service name, and then tap on Save. Once you are finished, you're going to tap on Continue. Then if you have staff members, you can input the staff member's name and email address. Then select Continue once more. And will you be accepting payments online? If that is the case, you can select that. You can also accept payments in person. And also, if you would like to sell digital or physical products, you can select this option. Then you will tap on Continue, then select Continue to Dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you'll now be able to edit the services that you have added. To do this, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option and tap on Catalog. After doing that, you can see all of the services that we added earlier. Now to edit it, we'll tap on Edit. Then from here, you could change the profile pic if you want. You can also change the title, and you can also add a quick description. Then you can scroll down and set the duration, and you can also set the pricing point, whether it is a fixed price, free, varied, or custom price. And you can also choose whether you'd like to offer a package or per session. And if it is a case that you would like to assign this to a particular staff member, you can select the staff member right here. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Save in the top right hand corner, and you can continue editing all of the different services and adding the different pricing point. Once you're finished doing that, it is now time to set up how you're going to get paid. You are going to tap on Getting Paid from the left-hand menu option, and you can tap on Connect Payment Method. Depending on the country you're located in, you're going to see different payment options. For example, I'm located in Jamaica, so I'll be able to offer TiloPay, PayPal. But if I were to change my location to, for example, sake, let's say Canada, you'll realize that I can now offer a different set of options. So let me do that real quick. You can see I'll be able to accept payment with Wix. And if I were to tap on See More Payment option, you can see that I can accept Square, Klarna, and so much more. So it varies depending on the country you're located in. So once you have changed your location, or better yet, you have confirmed your location, you will be able to offer even more payment options. And from here, you'll be able, if you tap on Settings in the bottom left hand corner, this is where you'll be able to add in your business info. So for example, you can add a logo. You can also use the Wix platform to create a logo for you. And by adding in your business address, you'll be able to display it on your About page, so persons will easily find you on Google Maps. And you can also scroll down and add in your phone number and also your fax number if you have one. Once you're finished doing that, you're going to tap on Setup in the top left hand corner, and you're going to tap on Design Site in the top right hand corner, then select Pick a Template. After you have selected Pick a Template, you can see numerous themes that you can choose from. And normally I would select one of the top 3, but you can see that all of them look good right here. All of them are looking good. So you can select any one of these. So let's say we were to select this one. Once on this page, you'll close the pop-up box. Then you're going to tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. Now to edit it is quite straightforward. You can hover over the section you like to change, tap on Quick Edit in the top left hand corner. Then for example, I could change the name right here. So for example, I could type in Jason Tutorials right there, just for example's sake. And it's as easy as that to edit each section. If we were to tap here, you can do the same thing, tap on Quick Edit, then go over to the right hand column. From there you could change the picture, you can change the text, just like that. And you can scroll down and continue editing each section, and you can see the different projects right here that you have created in the past. To upload your project, you can simply hover over it, then you can tap on Manage Media. After you have tapped on Manage Media, you will be redirected to this pop-up, and you can start replacing the images by tapping on Replace Image, and you could upload your own images. So you can select number 2, then you could replace it, and you could add in the title and description. So any of your previous work, you could add it right here. So basically you'll be able to create a portfolio, and in turn this will help to attract more customers, and this will show them that you have experience doing different stuff. So you can add that on right there. And to view all the pages on your website, you'll tap on Home in the top left hand corner. Then from there you can see all of the pages. So for example's sake, we can tap on About, and you'll be able to see the About page, and you can quickly edit the About page. And the concept remains the same. You will tap on Quick Edit, and you can change the picture, you can also change the text, just like that. Once you're finished, all you'll need to do now is tap on Preview in the top right hand corner. Then once it is to your liking, so let's say we were good to go back to the home page. Once on the home page, persons could tap on Book Online in the top right hand corner. Then after they have tapped on Book Online, they'll be redirected to our service page. They could select the service that they would like. After selecting the service, they can select the date. They can also select the time. So let's say the 21st, and let's say 12 p.m. Then they'll tap on Next. From there, they'll be prompted to enter their name and also the payment option. So that's basically it. All you'll need to do is tap on Publish, and your website will be live. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.